Hi everyone, my name is Amber and I was one of the camp counselors and lifeguards a couple years ago. It was nice to see you all. Today I will be leading an activity where we'll be rock painting. So the first thing that we need to do is go outside and find some of our rocks. Okay? So remember to apply sunscreen if you're going to be in the sun. Maybe wear a short sleeve shirt to stay nice and cool. Bring some water if you're going far away from your house or going on a little nature walk with your family. Okay. Today I just stepped into my backyard and I will literally be picking rocks from the backyard. So it might be a little hard to find rocks wherever you are. I know you see rocks everywhere and you think it'd be super easy. I had to actually look all around my backyard and I finally found some. So we're just gonna pick any of the rocks that you really like. I'm going for ones that are a little more flat on the top so that we can easily paint it. So something like this. You can paint small rocks, you can do really whatever you want. So whatever rocks you find, definitely pick them up. And we're going to be taking them inside. And first thing that we're going to do is just rinse them off. So you can either rinse them off inside or take a hose and rinse off all of the dirt so that we don't get dirt and paint mixed up. All right. Hello, so we're back. I have everything all set up. So I have a paper underneath where I'll be painting so that I don't stain my rug. So make sure you clear off a nice spot so that you can paint. I have my 3 rocks here, some paint brushes. You can use any types of paint brushes that you have, or you can even use, if you wanted to, if it's okay, you can use your fingers to paint little designs on your rocks. I also have a little place to put my paints. You can use something like this if you have it, or you can just put it on the side of your paper. And then I have some paints. So you can use whatever paints you have at home. I had bought these for my graduation cap, and these are the ones that I currently own. So I'll be using orange, blue, light blue, and white. So the first thing that we are going to do is paint our rocks white. So as you can see here, I've painted the tops of my rocks white. The bottom is still the normal rock color. I don't want to flip my rocks over yet because the paint will end up sticking to the paper that I have it on. So I'm going to leave it here for about 30 minutes just so it'll harden up a little bit, and then I'll be painting the other side. So I'll keep waiting, maybe grab a snack, and then come back to these rocks. Hi everyone, so we're back. I'm going to start drawing my design on this rock. So I wanted to start off with just a reminder for some of us is to be, it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to go over that in paint, and then kind, and D. And I wanted to draw a B over here. So I'm going to draw kind of like an oval, couple little wigs, a little stinger, couple stripes, and then my antennas. And I will be going over that with paint momentarily. So also a reminder, I only have orange, blue, navy, and white, so I'll be making my bee a different color than what bees actually are. So here we go. Okay, so for this first part, I'm going to take the dark blue and go over the bee kind portion. So I'll do that, and then we'll be right back. Alright, so I have my bee kind done, and the important thing is just to have fun with it. It's okay if you make little mistakes. It just adds more to your art and makes it more unique and personalized. I will add a little bit more to this by going around, just kind of adding little polka dots on it to make it stand out a little bit more. And then I will start on my bee. So you can fill in the bee however you want. I will be pausing this video and then coming back to kind of what I did with it. I'll be doing an orange and blue bee, okay, with blue little wings and then a dark blue little stinger. So let's see how this turns out. Good job, guys. All right, so I went in and I just painted in and colored in the little spots. So for this next one, I'm gonna wash my brush and I'm going to try freehanding it. We will see how this goes because I'm not the best artiste in the world, but we'll see. So I was going to try and do a little sunset. So I'm going to start off with some light blue, and I'm actually going to make this light blue, so give me 1 second. So if you have any colors that you want to make lighter, remember you can always add some white to make that lighter color. So I'm going to mix this blue and this white up. And it's a little too light for what I want it to be, so I'm going to take a bit of this blue and keep adding it in. It's good to add a little bit of white at a time. I think I added too much at the same time. Okay, so we are going to start. Okay, so I'm going to start off giving myself an idea about where the sun would be. So I'm going to start off with a little orange circle. We'll see how this comes out. We may need to fix it a little bit, but we'll see. It's a learning experience for all of us. Alright. So, it was a little lopsided. Okay. That's my sun. Alright, so we're going to move down to water. I'm going to start with the light blue that I just made and then move up from there. So, and it will just keep getting darker and darker. Hopefully, we will. Let's see. Okay, so light. I'm channeling my inner Bob Ross. I hope it's working, but it might not. We will see. Okay, so I got my light blue. Add a little bit more. I hope you're having a fantastic day. This is definitely really relaxing and calming. I haven't painted in a while. Okay, so right now, my rock just kind of looks like an egg. I'm hoping this gets better. We'll see, you guys. Alright, next. Darker blue. Dark blue. I'm kind of just on there. Trying to mix the light blue with the dark blue. Right, get a little bit of that light blue to blend these. If you choose to do this sunset rock, please post your picture on Facebook. I would love to see your creations. Alright, let's see. I feel like this still looks like an egg. Alright, we're going to have this funnel down. Does this look like a sunset, guys? I feel like maybe it just needs a little more love. Here, we'll keep going. A little too light on that side, so I'm gonna add a little dark blue. Right. Alright, let's keep going. I'm gonna wash my brush. And I'm gonna put this rock down actually so I can really
get in there with my brush, clean it off. I washed this off, but I'm going to take a little bit of the light orange. My paintbrush has kind of seen better days. He's starting to fall apart, but that's okay. We're gonna keep moving towards it. All right, so trying to think and see if there's anything else we can add. But I think we're pretty much done with this rock. I'll be posting one more little short video, and then we'll be on our way. If I make any changes to this rock, though, I'll let you guys know so that maybe you can add it to yours. Okay. And one more thing, because I feel like I want to cover this up a little bit, make it a little more straight. I'm going to add a little bit of blue to the orange. Oh, that was a little too much blue. Oh. Alright, a little bit more dark. Added too much of the light stuff. Alright, and then I want to do this little thing. And there is our mini sunset. Woo! Thank you guys! Rock. So for the last one, I'm just going to be painting a cute little snail using one of these colors. So first I'm going to draw it on and show you how to do that. Alright, so for my snail, I'm going to start off with his little body to give us an idea where we're going to draw our shell. So we're going to start with a little swirl. Keep going all the way down. Like that. And I'm going to put his little antennas up here. And I don't know, maybe, it was out of focus, maybe a little heart right there. So just like the bee, I'm going to draw a dark line using my dark blue going all the way around. And I'm going to let that dry a little bit and then fill in the rest with either an orange or a dark blue. So I will be back. Alright, so here is the first part. I just traced the little curly that we made. And then I'm going to go in with a lighter color. So I think I'm going to go with the blue, and I'm just going to try and fill in all the spaces in between the blue lines that I just drew. Small little tiny. And if you want, you can make this snail one color. Just adding two colors. Just add a little more color to him since we don't have that big of a option of the colors that I'm using right now. Right, so there's that part. I'm going to make the tips of his antennas orange and then his body orange. Some of that orange. Dot. Dot. Oh, he is a very bright snail. Alright. This is Jerry. My pet snail. Just made. Alright. And last but not least, there's a little tiny space that we have there. I'm going to put just a little heart to show Jerry some love. I'm going to take... What do I want to take? I'm going to take some of the blue that we haven't used. And just make a little heart. And there we go. So we made our bee kind rock, our cool little sunset rock, and our snail rock.
Thank you so much for joining me. I had so much fun. Please post your pictures if you do a rock painting activity or do any of these. I would love to see them. And thank you so much for your patience with my video. This is my first time actually putting snippets of videos together, so I know it was a little bumpy, but I'm hoping to get better. Have a great day.